Hi, this is Karl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through one of my newest brokerage listings. This is a 2020 Scout 195 Sportfish. The trailer shown with this boat is included. This boat was garage kept, white hull, very clean boat inside and out. 110 hours on a Yamaha 115 4-stroke. Swim platform on the port side. Bimini top. The boat does have a Minn Kota trolling motor and a battery charger for the trolling motor unit. You have rear seats with backrests and combing bolsters that go forward. Leaning post has a nice, high, comfortable backrest with a live well beneath the seat. 7-inch Garmin Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Battery switch located here. Glove box with charging ports. So it has a bow cushion up front that you can remove, which opens up a casting platform with storage. You got a forward-facing cooler seat. Nice storage inside the console that's drained. Recessed floor so you can use a porta potty. Touch screen on that Garmin unit. Again, 110 hours on the motor. Rod storage on the starboard side. If you have any questions or interest in this boat, you can contact me directly at 843-574-8289, or you can email me at karl.anderson@marinemax.com, and that's Karl with a K. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to hearing from you soon.